Hello all traders, hope all is fine with you and doing well. As promised before, we're gonna have an overview of the market and the trades that we have taken during the week of Monday 21st till Friday 25th of April 2025. As you see, the market on Monday was bearish and it opened with gap down and continued to retest this level of support, and it got rejected, and on Tuesday and the rest of week it was bullish as more good news related to the trade wars and negotiations were released, and the volatility also was reduced, and it was about 2 times more than the normal range of volatility we experienced before the trade war. So we're gonna review first the trade that we have taken on the futures platform accounts. So on Monday, the market opened with a gap down and continued to go down. So when the price had a deep pullback here and was trying to retest again the previous level of support, I took sell short positions with setups T on Nasdaq and Dow Jones and S&P 500. And when the price got rejected at this support level and the buyers came back, as you see from the shadows here, and buying orders that were coming, I took long position again with setup B on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500. And as you saw the result, it was positive with 3 long position and 4 sell short position. We reached 71% win rate and average win to loss ratio of 3.86 with the profit factor about 10 on Monday. And on Tuesday, the market was bullish during the global session and had a retest here. So when the market opened, it was bullish, which is going up on this channel. So I waited for the price to have a deeper pullback around 10 o'clock. And when the pullback got completed here, I entered here with long positions on Nasdaq and closed it in the upper area of the channel with profit, and the same happened on Dow Jones that I entered here when the pullback got completed and closed in the upper area of the channel, and also the same on S&P 500, which was entered and closed here with profit. So all these long positions were closed with 100% win rate and infinite profit factor, as you saw on a daily live trade video. And on Wednesday, the market had retracement during the global session, and it was very bullish during the London and New York session. So when I came back to have a deep pullback, the market was trendy but very choppy in this area. So since it was kind of sideways, highly volatile, I waited for a deeper pullback around this area of the channel when the market was testing this level of dynamic support. So around this area, when the pullback got completed, I entered long position at this level with setup C for a quick scalp on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 and closed it in the middle of channel with profit. And that's a report that you've seen on a live daily trade video, that the 3 long positions were closed with 100% win rate with profit on Wednesday. And on Thursday, the market retested the previous level of support and then buyers came back strongly. So during the New York market session, this wave of uptrend here was taken on Nasdaq with multiple long positions when there was a deeper pullback here. So all of these were taken for a quick scalp here, long position with setup C, and again another long position with setup C, and also long position on Dow Jones and S&P 500 was taken in this area of complex pullback, and all these 6 long positions were also closed with profit, as we have seen on the live daily trade video. And on Friday, the market was choppy at the beginning during the London session and broke this level during the New York market session, but the buyers came back and pushed the price higher. So it was highly volatile and choppy. So I waited for a complete pullback around this area of the support and entered long position with setup B for a quick scalp on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500. As you have seen the result of these 3 long positions, that was closed with profit for a quick scalp on Friday. So that's a summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm account, these are the list of trades that I have taken, mainly on S&P 500 and DAX and also gold. and this shows the profit and loss for each trade and the lot size, which was small on Monday because of high volatility. And as the market become more trendy and volatility become less, I increased the lot size during the rest of the week. And as a result of all these trades, we reached a total balance of $132.34 with the profit factor of 1.09. So the statistics on the second stage of this challenge shows that from the total of 682 trades, we had 534 winners. That resulted in 78% win rate. So this shows the equity curve of the account in the second stage of the challenge, which was very consistent before the introduction of tariffs and trade wars that increased the volatility and non-trendiness significantly. And as I mentioned, it was similar to the COVID epidemic. So with the reduced size and also the hedging of position, we were able to pass these periods and didn't reach the 5% daily loss limit that is calculated based on the balance of the previous day. And now we are recovered from the drawdown and we are $70 away to pass this second stage of the challenge. And these are daily range that we were experiencing before the trade wars. So we will see if the market continues to go up smoothly and retest this level as more positive news about the trade war negotiation is coming, and we will keep you updated with our trade results on this account till we pass the second stage of the challenge and get funded. So thanks for your attention and hope all these trades taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping and swing trading on the futures and the small 5K CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.